You intro
So
it.
Savannah, what are we doing?
You're the narrator.
Okay, I guess I'm the narrator. Well, we're going to put Pop Rocks in Dad's Pepsi and see what happens. This might not.
Ready? Okay, that was kind of gay. I want to drink it.
Take a sip. It'll probably explode in your mouth. It's an explosion in your mouth.
Oh, it's foamy.
Really? How's it taste?
Like Diet Pepsi and Pop Rocks.
Don't get sleepy with me.
This is gross.
Oh my, ew, that's disgusting. Oh my gosh, alright. It's legit foaming in the grass. That's disgusting.
That was great. Well, made a big cool noise, but that's about it.
That was fun.